Ethereum just hit a new all-time high and Bitcoin is right now testing some very crucial levels of resistance. I'm going to talk about what is next for the cryptocurrency market in this video, so if you don't want to miss anything, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you never miss future crucial uploads like this one. So let's talk about Bitcoin first, because Bitcoin has been forming this level of support of what was previously a level of support and is right now testing it as resistance. It has already been rejected once, and right now it seems like being rejected twice. Now it could still go up here and revisit this triangle and then break up, but it's beginning to seem less and less likely. I think that if we do hold this, we can still go back in this triangle and potentially go to $50,000 within the next week. Now let's talk about Ethereum, because Ethereum just hit a new all-time high and is right now forming what seems to be a bull flag. Now if this bull flag does actually turn out, that will be very bullish, because it will have a target of around, let's see, $1,600. So if Ethereum does break bullish out of this bull flag right here, we will have a target of $1,600. And the Ethereum Bitcoin chart is actually also looking very good. We did have a nice pump. And now actually let's look at the DXY chart. This is the US dollar currency index, and it seems to be forming a possible head and shoulders pattern. Now if this head and shoulders pattern does play out, so that means that we will break this neckline, then we will have a target of around here, which will be a new low in this bear market for the US dollar currency index. So that will be very bullish for Bitcoin if this does happen and we do dump all the way to this level right here. Do I think it will happen? I don't know. We will have to see the coming days if the DXY decides to break this neckline right here. Now if the DXY does do that, I definitely think that Bitcoin can go to $50,000 within the next couple of weeks. So that's very exciting, of course, that $50,000 is so close as it is right now. And of course, if Bitcoin does go to $50,000, I think that Ethereum will already be at $2,000 plus, and I think that can happen within the next few weeks already. And now actually let's look at a news article that just came out 8 hours ago. Bank of Singapore says cryptocurrencies could replace gold as a store of value, but unlikely to displace fiat currencies. Now of course this is very bullish for Bitcoin, because when you have a Bank of Singapore that comes out and says that cryptocurrencies can replace gold as a store of value, that definitely means that this is not some outrageous idea that only crazy Bitcoin bulls are saying. The actual legitimate banks are also saying that it can replace gold as a store of value, but it does say that it's unlikely to displace fiat currencies. I also think that this is unlikely, but for Bitcoin to go to a few $100,000, it definitely doesn't need to displace fiat currencies. If it can just replace gold, it can already go to around $500,000 and maybe even $1 million within the next few years. So that is it for the Bitcoin price today. So summarize, I think that Bitcoin can definitely go back into this symmetrical triangle. If we don't come back to this resistance right here, we will probably see some sideways continuation. We will of course also have to keep a close eye at DXY, because if the DXY does decide to go below this neckline right here, Bitcoin will definitely have some upside. So that was it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, because that way you can get crucial Bitcoin updates every single day. And if you do not hit the bell button, then you actually won't get notifications when new videos are uploaded. So of course you do want these notifications because they're very important. if you hold Bitcoin or Ethereum or any kind of cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow at around this time when a new move happens in Bitcoin.